Done with the furniture, wardrobe and kitchen for your home? There's one element of decor that is still left. One of the most crucial pieces of decor that can set the tone for an entire room: your curtains. From light and breezy to substantial and ornamental, from solid colors to prints, from sheer fabrics to heavy textiles, the possibilities are endless. So in this video, I'll be helping you out with a few easy tips that you should remember while picking out curtains for your house. Let's start. Pick out the right fabric. The material plays a vital role in the look of your curtains and consequently your room. From sheer to lightweight cottons, jacquard fabric to heavy velvets, your options are endless. The two factors you should consider while picking out the fabrics for your curtains are the amount of sunlight you want streaming in and the mood and the decor of your room. For example, heavier fabrics suit more traditional rooms while sheer fabrics work best in a more minimalistic setting. Remember, each fabric falls differently from the elevation and therefore will look different when pleated and drawn back. The choice of color can make or break the look of your room. The color of your curtain should ideally be in sync with the rest of the furnishings. For a pleasing look, choose drapes in a color that complements the shade of your wall. Alternatively, if you want the curtain's color to be the focus, pick a hue that is in contrast with the furniture and the walls. Choosing between prints and solids. To answer this, we need to look at the rest of the decor. If all other soft furnishings in the room are solid color, going with the printed curtain can be a popular choice. The opposite also holds true. One thing to remember is that prints add visual weight to any element. Therefore, one way to work with printed curtain is to pair them with the solid colored furniture, accessorized with printed cushions, area rugs and similar stuff. You could use quirky prints and geometric patterns with contemporary style spaces, while floral would suit a better modern, classic and a traditional decor. Selecting the ideal length of the curtain. Curtain's length should ideally fall exactly on the floor, which is all the craze right now. But for a more dramatic look, you can opt for a curtain which is a few inches longer so that the drapes puddle on the floor. On the other hand, if you have kids, you are better off with curtains a couple of inches above the floor. But remember, ending the curtains at the still of the window for a smaller window is never an option. Always use full length drapes. Measuring the width of the fabric required. The ideal width of your curtain depends on the width of your window. One way to arrive at the ideal width is to measure the frame of your window and multiply it by 2. The extra fabric helps in preventing the stretched feel while drapes are closed and helps in accomplishing the gathered look on the sides when the curtains are opened. Selecting fabrics based on the maintenance required. The fabric and the material of the curtain determines how it should be cleaned and how often it needs to be cleaned. While all curtains and drapes should be washed every 3 to 6 months, there are some fabrics that require more care and some that can be machine washed. Low maintenance fabric. If you are looking for curtains that need to be washed twice a year, opt for cotton or synthetic. These can be washed in machine if they are unlined, or they can be hand washed if they are lined. A great option for those with great dust allergies and kids and pets at home. High maintenance fabrics. Any curtain that have pleats or swags must be dry cleaned regardless of the fabric. However, wool, silk and sheer curtains must always be dry cleaned or hand washed in cold water to retain the color and the shape of the curtain. You can also choose to vacuum your drapes and curtains on a weekly basis if you are prone to dust allergies. It's always best to factor in the curtains while you are deciding the rest of the decor of your room. Consequently, the decor will be more coordinated and harmonious. So guys, that's all from my side today. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming house and decor tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who you think might benefit of this video. We'll see you again for the next video. I hope you guys had a good time.